Creating a Facebook page is very easy and takes less than minutes to set it up. You must have an existing Facebook account before you proceed. The first step is to go to facebook.com/pages/create. You'll be given 6 options for your page. Choose a page category that best represents the intention of your page and select a more specific category from the drop-down menu. Next, fill out the required information and click Get Started. For example purposes, we will be selecting company, organization, or institution. There are 3 items which you need to set up before launching your Facebook page. These are your page profile picture, cover page, and details about your company. The profile picture is displayed as 170 pixels by 170 pixels. You are recommended to upload an image double the size for better resolution. Here's a power tip. Choose a simple image to best represent your business. For your cover page, it is highly recommended to use high-quality JPEGs, measuring 1640 pixels width and 624 pixels height. This gives you sharper uploaded images. Always keep it simple and put your brand name and logo as the cover page or use stock images and Photoshop it for a branded touch. To upload your cover photo, click Add a Cover and you can choose to upload either a picture or a video. Next, fill in the description about your company. Click these 3 dots to expand your options. Then click Edit Info. Fill in all the information about your company under these 4 tabs: General, Contact, Location, and Hours. The final step is to publish posts to start engaging with your audience. Post images, text, or videos consistently to build and engage with your audience. Welcome back. To start creating your Facebook group, you must have an existing Facebook account. Head to www.facebook.com/groups. Then click on Create Group and proceed to fill in the details of your group. Facebook makes it compulsory that you need to add at least one friend into the group to create it. It's recommended that you get your friend's permission or interest before adding them into the group. Adding them in cold will almost certainly kill the engagement of your group. For now, just put in your own email to create the group. Then select the privacy settings. You can have it as public, closed, or secret depending on the purpose and direction of the group. Click Create and select an icon to represent the group. You can skip this if you want to do this later. Click OK. Your group is now created. You can personalize your group by adding in a cover photo and details of the group. You can also link your page with the group. You are now good to go. You can advertise your Facebook post and link posts to generate engagement using Facebook advertising and select Create Advert. You then proceed to select your marketing objective, which is engagement. Select one of the three types of engagements which best suits your objective. Post engagement is targeting those who are likely to like, comment, and share your post. Page likes are targeting those who are most likely to like Facebook pages, while event response are targeting those who click to attend events. Give your advert set a name. Then fill in the details of your audience, which includes A. Location, B. Age, C. Gender, D. Language, E. Detailed targeting. Determine where you want your ads to be placed at. You are recommended to only place your ads on Facebook newsfeed. You want to select Edit Placements and uncheck everything except FB Newsfeed. The reason you're doing this is so that you know which placement is working for you and which isn't. If you put all placements, Facebook cycles through each different placement to get the best results for you, but sometimes it may not be the platform you want. The result takes slightly longer to achieve because Facebook will need some time to optimize your campaign. The next important step is to determine your budget and schedule. For beginners, the recommended budget is $3 to $5 a day for 3 days to monitor the engagement and results of the campaign. Select a schedule for your campaign, whether you want to run it continuously or have an end date. Leave bid amount to automatic. Only use manual bidding if you know how much video views are worth to you. When you enter into bidding, the one who is the highest bidder will have their ad shown to the audience. Now click Continue and select your Facebook page. Select an existing post and click Confirm. You're done. Your ads will go through a review process with Facebook to ensure that it is compliant with Facebook policies. Once it's approved, the ad will run and you will get either a like, comment, or a share on your post. Hello and welcome back. In this module, we'll learn how to install your Facebook pixels to your landing page to track your site's activity. Why do you need Facebook pixels? The pixels are a piece of tracking code that can be installed in your websites or landing page's analytics section. Facebook pixels are used to track leads, track conversions, retargeting your audience and creating different lists, create a lookalike audience, tweaking your landing page based on your audience's activity. All of this information is made available to you once you install the pixel code to your page. Let me illustrate an example for you. Let's say you're in the internet marketing niche and you've recently launched your own product. The front end is a free ebook downloadable via your landing page. In order to download the ebook, the audience would need to fill in a form first with their details and submit. Therefore, there are 3 steps involved in this process before they download the ebook. 1, they visit your landing page. 2, they fill in the form. 3, they click Submit. When you install the pixel, you are able to track all of these actions separately and which action did the audience perform. Did they only visit your landing page? Did they continue to fill in the form and click to Submit? This is all important information to gather, so in the end, You're able to retarget your audience and identify specifically who they are. Most importantly, you can tweak your sales video, sales letter, or landing page content depending on your audience's activity and improve the performance of your landing page. This will inevitably attract more leads to your cause. So how do you install the Facebook pixel on your landing page? Let me walk you through the steps. First, you need to open your Facebook Ads Manager account. Then on the top left, you click on the Ads Manager where you'll be directed to several options. You just need to go to Assets, and then further down, you're able to spot the Pixels option. Click on Pixels. On the next page, you click on Setup, which is at the right-hand corner of the page. Then a pop-up will appear where it states Install your Pixel code. There will be two options, which is Use an Integration or Tag Manager, and Copy and Paste the code. You will then click on Copy and Paste the code. After that, you will see Install Pixel Base Code, where there will be a code ready for your use. All you need to do is click on the code and it'll be automatically copied. Next is the code installation on your landing page. What you need to do now is to go to your landing page's Analytics Scripts section and paste the Pixel Base Code on the Header Script section. You're done. Make sure that you refresh your page, as it may take 10 to 20 minutes for the pixel to be activated. To ensure that your pixels are installed successfully, head back to your Facebook Ads Manager, and there'll be a blue tick symbol indicating you have installed it correctly. You can now track the type of audience visiting your landing page. The next step is to install your second pixel, which is the Facebook Pixel Event Code. The event code allows you to track more specific events and conversions, where it included 9 different options from view content to complete registration. For this tutorial, we will be focusing on tracking whether your audience submitted their details on your landing page, where we will utilize the complete registration pixel event code. The steps are just the same as installing your first pixel, but this time when you've clicked on the Copy and Paste the code, instead of opting for Install Pixel Base Code, you opt for Install Event Code, where you are then led to the 9 different event options. Click on Complete Registration where you are given a code. You copy the code and paste it on your download confirmation page, where they will download their ebook if they choose to submit their details. The main reason why you need to install 2 different pixels on your landing page is so you are able to track the activity of your page in a more targeted and focused manner. In a nutshell, your first pixel tracks the activity and the type of audience on your site, and the second pixel specifically tracks if the audience submitted their details on your site. This will give you a higher chance in retargeting and creating your lookalike audience for your future launches.